Hi, teacher. This is my presentation. My name is Jesús María Alomía Garzón. English this word level 1. Actividad evidencia videopresentación AA1 EB04. Tutor Carlos Andrés Pérez Peláez. This is my best friend. His name is Pedro Ordóñez. He is 37 years old. He was born on June 13, 1975. Place of residence, Cali, Colombia. Occupation, carpenter. When he gets off work, he likes to listen to music very softly, but he hates loud music. He enjoys taking a walk in the park every Saturday between 8 and 9 in the morning. He likes going to the mass every Saturday in the afternoon because he goes to the movies at night. He enjoys going to the beach on Sundays. He loves Chinese food. Thanks for watching. It's all.